Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to print a double-sided PDF in Adobe Acrobat, whether you're preparing a professional report, a class handout, or just want to save paper around the house. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently know how to print any PDF on both sides of the sheet and understand the difference between flipping on the long edge or short edge, which can save you some real headaches later. So let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up the PDF you want to print in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. If you haven't used these programs much before, don't worry. They look pretty similar, and these steps will work in either one. Once your document is open, take a quick look through it to make sure you don't miss any important pages. I always recommend double-checking, especially if it's a long file. You'd be surprised how often people accidentally print 10 extra blank pages. Next, let's move to printing. At the top left of the screen, click on File, and then select Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can just tap the print icon. It's that little printer symbol usually near the toolbar. This brings up the Print dialog box, which is where most of your important choices will happen. Now, look for the drop-down menu where you'll select your printer. In case you have more than one printer installed, make sure you've picked the right one. For instance, if you have a home printer and an office printer, select the one that supports double-sided printing. Some older printers might not, so keep an eye out for that. At this stage, you want to find the option that says Print on both sides of paper. Sometimes it's right in the main dialog box, but on certain printers you'll need to dig a bit deeper. If you don't see the checkbox immediately, look for buttons labeled Printer Properties, Preferences, or even More Settings. Clicking these will take you into your printer's specific configuration menu, and often, duplex printing, another name for double-sided, is tucked away inside. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if you need to hunt around a bit. It's normal, and it's always worth making sure duplex printing is enabled. Now, this is where people often get tripped up, choosing how the pages flip. You'll see two options, flip on long edge and flip on short edge. Let's break this down. Flip on long edge is typically what you want for portrait documents. Think of how a book flips open from side to side. If you're printing something like a contract or a report, this is likely your best bet. Flip on short edge is for landscape documents like a wall calendar where you flip the page over the top, sort of like you're flipping a notepad. Take a moment to visualize how the final printout will be bound or handed out. Choosing the right edge will keep your pages in correct order and facing the right way. Once you've made your selections and you're sure about the flipping direction, it's time to hit print. You might want to just print a test page first if you're nervous, especially with important multi-page documents. That way, if something doesn't turn out quite as expected, it's easier to adjust than reprinting a whole stack. And that's it. You've learned the basics of double-sided printing in Adobe Acrobat, and you're ready to save paper, streamline your documents, and avoid that dreaded upside-down second page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or run into a snag with your specific printer, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!